Hello everyone, welcome to AgFlow's webinar. I'm Mariam, and today I will be presenting a little bit about agricultural market insights for March 2023. So just to say, this will be my last market review with AgFlow. So thanks to everyone who has been watching my market reviews. So to start, again, for this month, the discussion is still ongoing about the grain corridors agreement, as we said last week. So far, Ukraine's president and UN Secretary General have called for a vital deal allowing Russia and Ukraine to export their wheat and fertilizers through the Black Sea. However, so far, Moscow does not intend to renew its participation, but today there will be a discussion with the UN based on this. And so far, Ukraine is still moving its grains by rails, roads, and the river. So 5 days left to the renewal of the grain corridors agreement. We will see what will happen, but most probably there will be positive results on the discussion between UN and Moscow. On another topic, CONAP's new report on March states that Brazil's soybean crop is estimated at 151 million metric ton for the production, which is 1% less than February's estimates because of drought in some southern growing areas. However, it is still more than 20% higher than last year due to generally improved weather and also increased planted area. Also, on the other hand, the USDA's March report again, which is new, states that there is a global coarse grain production is forecast to 3.2 million metric ton lower, which means that it will reach 1,439 million metric ton for whole world production of grains. Also, the foreign corn production, which means all what is not the United States, is down with a decline for Argentina, partially offset by increase for India and Paraguay. The US corn exports also are reduced by 1.6 million metric ton, reflecting the poor pace of sales and shipments to date, despite relatively competitive US prices. So here we can have a quick look on US prices from AgFlow's data. I already made dashboard to compare between US prices and Ukraine as well and Argentina. So these are the prices for corn from Argentina, the United States, and Ukraine. So I will start from September 2022 to have a look, a very close look until today. So if you see here, we have Ukraine's wheat is still lower than both countries, than Argentina and the United States. And if we go to February, we can see again that Ukraine has still lower prices. For the United States, as you see here, prices decreased today as well. And also for Argentina, they increased a little bit today on average. Back to the presentation. We also, again, from the USDA's new report, we have that major global trade changes for 22-23 include higher projected corn exports for India, Ukraine, Paraguay, with the reduction for Argentina and the United States. And from the import side, the estimates are lowered for Turkey, Iran, Malaysia, Chile, Colombia, Egypt, Morocco, Peru, and Taiwan. So these are the insights from the USDA report about grains, a little bit trade, and also production. And we can also have a look again on US corn exports in the beginning of 23. I will go back to AgFlow's data and I will check the US exports. So here I will put the United States as the export country. Commodity is corn. And here we can have a monthly look on United States' export, and we can see that it's still lower year on year. As you see here, on February, the country exported 2 million metric ton, a little bit more than 2 million metric ton on corn. However, if you see here, the variation compared to last year on February is very big, and it's lower so far. So back to the presentation again. Just a little bit what's new on AgFlow's Twitter. We have here Rita, who said that Russia says it has not taken part in grain deal renewal talks yet. Because if we see here, we have Andre, who said that Russia to hold talk with the UN about the grain deal extension on March 13th, so it's today. So to watch what will come out from these discussions. On another topic, as you know, we have news about these days about the Silicon Valley Bank's collapse. And here we have the Ag Strategy, who said that, did you know that wheat, corn, soybeans plummeted by almost 35% during the 2008 financial crisis caused by US banking systems collapse? So probably the history will repeat itself. But here we also have a point of view from Arlon. He said that grain and oilseed market open higher, along with stock futures on Fed, FDIC, etc. actions. But this will be a week with lots of headlines risk. Bottom line, though, inflation is more of a longer-term threat, which does impact the commodities usually positively. So this is more of a positive, an optimistic point of view. So that's it for today. It's a brief market review. Thank you all for watching this video. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to my colleague Erwin. He can help you if you would like to have more information about the data. You can also follow us on Twitter. And thank you.